Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am here. It's Saturday, the day before Father's Day, and I just put up a Father's Day digital kit. I had one last year. It was just these 4 postcards. I have now added some other images and pages, and we're going to go ahead and make a quick Father's Day card using some of this. So you get several ephemera pages. They are all made using those 4 postcards. So these 4 postcards, and you get the actual postcard one, not the one with the background. So this one is, you've got this small here that you could make like a little photo album or something with it, or you could add these into a photo album. So that was what my idea was. I did also, these are the ephemera pages. There's 4 ephemera pages, and they include the original 4 postcards. This one here says 3 reasons why I hate to leave, and it's Dad and Mom and the 2 girls. And then Foxy Genevieve over here, she says, what I want and what I'll get are 2 very different things, but I'm wise and you can bet I'll get whatever Daddy brings. So that's that card there. It's kind of fun. Okay, so 4 pages of ephemera, and then 7 pages. So one of them is the matching background page, and so this one could be, used for like this, or you could print this at wallet size. Okay, this one is also meant to be a page, so you can fold it like this. It is a collage, but it's meant to be a page, or you can come back in and cut, all the flowers out or whatever. This one is a cut apart page, so you can go ahead and cut these. So I guess it would be an ephemera page also. To Dear Dad, we've got the really big page. Okay, again, could be printed in wallets. So if you rename these 3 files, put them next to each other, and you can print wallet size 3 of each of those. So that is it's 11 files, so 7 page files and the 4 ephemera. And we are going to go ahead and come over here. We're going to pick an ephemera. I have this. That's the envelope. I have the card also. So I have craft card. This is from at Christmas time at Target, and that one is gonna fit. I call my dad Dad. My grandkids and everybody, and my kids call him Papa. I call him Dad. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one out. I might have to cut it down a little bit, but some of the layering is already done for you right there. Kind of will save some time. So there are also, within the ephemera, there are some orchids, just the orchids and that. So let's go ahead and we're going to cut this side down. Okay, there we go. I mean, really, we could do really, really simple and be done right with that, huh? It's dark in here again today. I'm in the shack. I have no minutes, so I didn't even have minutes to clean up my mess and take it back to the craft room. I was working on that red, white, and blue digital kit. So this digital kit is available now in the Dear Julie Etsy shop, and it has a coupon code of Dad Day, DADDAY, and that will get you 50% off, and then you would, you'll have it. You'll be able to use it. And so, to Dear Dad, you could put an A here, and then you'd have to a Dear Dad. I have these stickers. I've been trying to use them up, and so that it has a dad here as well. I have these. This one says, enjoy your special day. And I have these hearts, which I think are kind of cool. So I think I really like the hearts. So I'm going to find a heart and put it over the top of those flowers. And then maybe at some point I can find a fish, because my dad is he likes ocean fish. Okay, so I'm going to pick out one of these. Why is it the pink one looks the best? I'm not going to do the pink one. I think we'll go with this gray and blue one. This background is gray and white striped. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this down, and I want it to be touching the dad. Okay, so it is there, and it is touching the dad. So to get something going on the inside, because I usually like to decorate the inside as well, I'm going to use my black and white washi tape, even though it's black and white, not gray striped. I think it'll be okay enough because of the brown from the craft paper. And then, let's see, I think remember we got those, we have a Happy Father's Day. You're spectacular with the things, you're terrific, Barbecue King. That's kind of funny. I'm going to do Happy Father's Day, Barbecue King. My dad just bought himself a new barbecue. My dad is in one of those carts. He doesn't walk anymore. He was on crutches since he was 15, and he now doesn't use the crutches to walk. And so because the only ink I have in this room is brown, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these little, and hopefully, you know what, if I purposely go off like that, like it's on purpose, then I'm not going to have to worry that it is right on, right? right on. Okay, so there's Happy Father's Day. And then, so this is from that stamp set that I just bought, and it came with the magazine. There's a video, it's in the Michael's haul this week. And I've already used the sew machine, and now I've used Happy Father's Day and Barbecue King. And so that's pretty good. And I know I'm going to use the heels and the purse and the shopping girl. Okay. Now if I was in my office, I could, I would have the right stuff. Okay. So Happy Father's Day, Barbecue King. I'm going to go ahead and put it so that it's kind of on the washi tape. And then I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to grab this Enjoy Your Special Day. Oh, it's a die cut thingy majiggy. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm gonna go ahead. Ooh, will this fit on the front? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the front, and I'm gonna use a an eyelet to set it. Like I said, I don't have it in this room, so but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set it like that. Okay, so, and I may even put a little glue, and that'll give me a little collage. It'll kind of take away from the flowers, which is fine with me. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down right now. So you can get an idea of what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm just gonna glue it down there. And then I have these gold hearts. I've been using these lately to just go ahead and add a little bit of sparkle, even though, okay, we'll come over and we'll put our third heart here with our silver. So we've used both silver and gold as our metals, which is okay. And so we have, where'd I put that, Dad? Lost the dad. Can finally use it and I lost it. Here's a for you. That's blue, matches that, and gold. Okay. Okay, so looking for the little green sticker that I had at the very beginning. Oh, here it is. It's over here on the sticker paper. Okay. I'm going to put it right here next to this. Okay. So that is my really very fast card that I did make using the Father's Day Digital from Dear Julie Julie. Now I am also going to go ahead and I am going to decorate the front of the envelope. And so I'm just going to use a couple of the things like we're using inside. We have our washi tape. I have another sticker. This one says hello. And we can go ahead and use a couple of these, the insides of these hearts. Okay. And there we go. So we've decorated the envelope and we've decorated the card and the inside. So there we go. I have my dad's Father's Day card. And next I'm going to make one for my brother, but I'm going to go ahead and upload this so this can be in, so you can see it before Father's Day. So find something to celebrate every day. Today is the day before Father's Day. Don't forget there is a Father's Day digital kit, brand new in the shop, and I hope you'll go check it out. And the Etsy shop is Dear Julie Julie. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Bye.